Hello everyone, this is the developer, yours truly. This week we implement and refine the random map generator. In this video, I'm going to show you some examples and the code behind that. This is the Wonderland Travel Agency. From here, you can go to all kinds of random locations or procedurally generate on fly. So here, let's go to an ice cave with the undead. Now, let's get into the example. Here is an earth cave with cute animals. Yeah, cat. They're homeless, just go play with them. Now, next. You can refresh until you find a cave that suits your needs. So, I see spider cave. Yeah, you can actually fight them, but for the sake of this tech demo, let's retreat. And try another one. Scorching Sinner's hideout. It's a fire cave with a processed, but the map layout is a bit different. I will tell you why later. Yes, we have different algorithms. Let's try another. Oh. An ice cave with construction workers. Yeah. There is a chest, but we are not going to open it right now. Yeah, go back. Let's rerule one more before we're moving on. And another water cave. Yes, there is a merchant. Yes, sometimes they happen. You can trade with them if you sell them. Those are mostly supplies. Stupid slimes. Yeah, it's hard to avoid them, but we can turn on the field of view. Yes, that's easier. Alright, let's see how it's implemented. Step 1. Find a math algorithm on Wikipedia. Yes. Just pick the one that suits your need, and they are all quite good. Here's the source code of the game. Just 3 functions in a module, and you are good to go. Don't be afraid of playing with algorithms. Once you understand them, it's easy to implement. It's only about 100 lines of code. Once it's done, let's see the first version of the math generator. I put a screenshot of it on the game store page a long time ago. Yeah. It should be somewhere here. Never mind, I will just go through the images. Okay, here it is. Even with just an algorithm implemented, you should get a result like this. But how to make a maze like that end up looking like the cave we saw at the beginning of this video? Well, I'd say the soul and the body are two different things. We already got an soul, now we shall give the map a better looking body. And yeah, so in this function, each block of the data is 10 to 8 by 8 size. They are then printed based on a reference of a good looking map. It's an entire different algorithm by itself. I will show you the source code here. Look, it's just another few lines, so don't be afraid of when you implement something like this on your own. What it does is just find the right reference of the number hand, copy it over, and modify it. Now let's go back. I will explain two different layouts right now. It's the sync function I created as another step to refine the map. Let's see how it makes the map different. First, let's see if it's set to false. Now let's generate a random map. We can find a more inaccessible place in this map, and long-term overall it feels the map is narrow. Now let's turn the sync feature on by put a true here. Let's get another map. Come on. This time the map is more compacted, with less inaccessible locations. Yeah, it's better. Somehow. Okay, back to the code. What sync algorithm does is remove unnecessary blocks from a generated map dataset. Yeah, I will put it that way. So, I'm basically enlarging the map 4 times bigger and then turning it down to the original size by moving everything closer. Of course, the player's spawning location also needs to be adjusted accordingly. To give you a better idea, let me grab the debug information. The debug window shall print out the map data sets in zeros and ones. Here we are. Let me put it here. Counting from 0, every odd column is not really necessary if we draw the block a bit smarter. There are the rows. What they do, they are just here to be worse, to tell other blocks if they can reach their neighbor. So, my sync algorithm is here to remove them naturally. Alright, thanks for watching, enjoy the game.
You didn't really explain much, did you?
Well, this is just a memento, not a tutorial.